Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Wholesome. This is a channel where we discuss all things that teaches about money skills. Today I'm going to be discussing ways in which you can get your finances back into track if ever maybe you've fallen into a trap of living beyond your means. And living beyond your means in a sense that maybe you've bought an expensive house or an expensive car because you are a young profession and maybe you thought that your salary would be enough, but now maybe you are suffocating and you're not coping, or maybe you just want to save more money and live a minimal lifestyle. So I'll be having two videos to this topic, and today I'm going to be discussing practical ways, and on part 2 of this video I'll cover what you can do mentally to cope with downsizing your lifestyle. So I decided to start with this easy practical steps. I feel like it's easy because it's something that you can do, whereas on the second video I'm going to be sharing the hard part, which is what you need to do to prepare yourself for this journey mentally. So number 1, I'm going to be discussing refinancing. Explore refinancing options to potentially lower your monthly payments. This process can take you weeks or months, and you'll be liable to pay all the fees that are associated with the new loan during this process.
Refinancing is when you replace your current loan with a new loan that has better terms. This can be done for both cars and homes. It can be a great way to save money on interest, shorten the length of your loan, or reduce your monthly payments.
Number 2, you can negotiate with your lender for loan modification. In this option, you need to contact your lender and discuss your financial situation. A loan modification is basically when your lender adjusts the terms of your contract to make your monthly payments more manageable. So this will typically extend the length of your contract, and you will definitely pay more interest. So I'd say you need to opt for this option if ever you really find value into the house or the car that you've bought, and you feel like all the interest that you are going to pay is going to be worth it.
So when I was filming, I forgot to mention the other option, which goes with a loan modification, which is a loan forbearance. So a loan forbearance is when a lender agrees to temporarily suspend or reduce your loan payments. This is usually done in situations when you are facing a financial hardship and you can't make your payments. With a loan forbearance, you don't have to make any payments for a certain period of time. You'll still owe the money and interest will continue to occur. It's important to remember that a loan forbearance is different from a loan forgiveness, which is when your loan is completely forgiven.
Number 3 is to sell the property or the car. You can consider selling that house or that car and downsize into more affordable options, or you can use that money to settle the loan. So when you settle the loan, they will calculate the settlement amount for you, and they'll give you a time span on when you need to pay that lump sum. So if you fail to pay the lump sum within the given time span, you will need again to request for the settlement amount, and you need to pay at a specific time, of course. So number 4, this will only apply to the property. You can rent it out, or you can let a family member or a friend move in with you. You can rent out your property to cover some or all of your monthly costs, or you can let a friend or a family member move in with you, and then you both agree that you are going to be paying the rent together just until you are back on your feet, or up until you are done with the loan. It's really up to you. Number 5, you can seek financial counseling. Financial counselors often help people who struggle financially and people with a low income to manage current expenses, to build up savings, or to make plans to pay off debts. So you can consult a financial counselor to help you create a budget and to explore debt. So number 6 is to downgrade. So I decided to make this the last option because a lot of people do not want to hear the word downgrade. But all the other options I mentioned is you downgrading, it's just with fancy names. But if you're a person who likes to wear designer clothes, who likes going out, please just reduce that if you are facing a financial crisis. Make sure that you are not living like a rich person just for a while, up until you are back on your feet, and then you can start, after you've accomplished your goal, you can start again being that flashy person and enjoying life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Thank you for allowing me in your space and lending me your ear. Always remember that I love you. Have a lovely, productive day.